Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Now, I think you guys are really gonna like this video, for the simple fact that it's gonna, open your eyes to what's been going on out here on this internet world, this internet land. All right, so I want to show you guys how you can, if you're just tired of joining different companies and tired of trying to make it work, you got ideas of your own, and you kind of just want to start your own MLM or your own affiliate marketing company. You can do that fairly simple, guys. Now, uh, I haven't started mine. Like I've been knowing about these sites. I just don't know exactly what I want to do yet. So I'm coming out with a plan, and when I come out with a plan, I'll come out with my own marketing system. Um, but this right here is the same designers that designed the $25 one up. A bunch of other, different MLM companies out there. And so you guys can go through the same people. So the name of the website is webmarketingtool.com. And there's another website called replicationpro.com. And I'll get into what these are. So these are platforms that will help you build your MLM company. Okay. So pretty much you can replicate sites and add your own information into it, so it'll be you be able to launch within the next day and a half or 2 days, like literally. So just to give you an example, once you go here, go to web tools and then click on website replication. Okay, and once you click on website replication, it'll give you kind of a couple examples. Okay, it'll show you sorry about that, it'll show you kind of how the back office looks, and then it'll give you a price on how you can get everything set up. Okay, so if you want the basic setup, just a customizable members area, uh like a website creator. If I keep my voice sounds scratchy, I just got done eating some Salisbury steak, so I kind of have some food in my throat. But yeah, you could do, contacts and stats and stuff like that. If you want the more advanced, like, toolbox, multiple members, if you want a lot of different members on your sites, you want to do have multiple, contents and all kind of just different stuff, you're gonna have to pay a little bit more. And actually, this wouldn't be the final price, unless you just wanted the basic setup of it. But I mean, if you want, certain things like, for certain members to redirect to something else, that's gonna cost you extra. Okay. So, but for the basics, you can have your MLM company running within, you know, the next 24 to 48 hours, like literally. And you can view demos. So I would advise you guys to view the demo. Click the demo, put in your information. It will give you the demo area that looks like this. Now this is like the very basic setup without you having to put your your logos and all that stuff in here, the name of your company and all that. The different tabs. So down here, like it'll show you, it'll have your members' profile. So whenever they sign up, they have their own profile, and you'll be in control of everything. Like this is the control panel, so you can, create members. You can, add members, delete members that are not cooperating, or if you're doing a subscription-based type of thing, you can delete people if they didn't pay their subscription. Like you can literally control everything. Like I said, you can add multiple companies. Like this here is the same company that built the $25 one up. So if you guys are familiar with that system, uh, then it's the same company who did that. And so you guys can come in here, play around with this. Like I know a lot of you are like, man, I got ideas. I want to start my own company one day. I've never knew how to start one from scratch. And this is a way to do it, guys. And like I said, the name of the other website was replicationpro.com. Now this website here is pretty much the same thing. Um, they've done, they have a bunch of different people, like, the Guru SMS Crusher, which is one of the softwares that I have. And then they have the Lead Capture Page Boss, which is another platform that I've used for years, with their free capture pages and stuff like that. And so, you can, I think their pricing is probably around the same. Okay, so their basic price is a little bit more, but as you can see, you get, a couple more things here, and they also have it to where you can, view your demo pages and things like that. So, and their professional package is about the same as the other one, here. So, it's really, really simple, guys. if you want a replicatable site that's already up and running, you just want to like change the logo and things like that. You need to first come up with your own logo, okay, and then make sure you already have your domain name so they can go ahead and tie your website to your domain name, and then find out what product it is that you want to promote, whether it be fixing your credit, or whether it be ads, or whether it be whatever you want to promote, CPA. Like, you can literally come up with whatever it is that you want, and then you want to contact these guys, and they will go ahead and implement your once you have the money to do so, they will go ahead and implement your business, and then you can launch your own MLM company or affiliate marketing company. And one of the dope things about it is, guys, if you just wanted it to be strictly affiliate marketing and you wanted your name to get out there really fast, what you could do is, give everybody a referral link. And so they will get a commission, just by promoting. They'll get a commission just by them promoting your link. And when someone gets started, they'll get a half of the commission, and then you'll get the other half of the commission. And so that way it'll be a lot of people promoting your product to get your name out there a lot faster. So that's, an idea you guys can do. But uh, like I said, I know a lot of you had ideas, and you're like, man, I want to start my own. I'm just tired of joining all these companies that has BS products, a bunch of nonsense. And I got ideas, and this would be cool if I could, do certain things. So if this helped you guys, hit me with a like, comment. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Like I said, I haven't did this yet, but I know, people who've done this. And like I said, the $25 went up. This is, the same platform that they used as well. And you can use it too. Like I said, go through, just type in the name webmarketingtool.com, or I think you can contact these guys. I'm not sure. I talked to one of these guys on the phone before. Like I said, I think this is the number down here. I talked to one of them on the phone, and I didn't have everything ready, so he kind of wasn't really trying to talk to me like that, because I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I was just curious to see how it all worked. But he kind of told me, certain things, like if you want people to be redirected to certain things, and that's going to cost a little more. If you want multiple tabs and all this other stuff, and it costs a little bit more. So, um, like I said, this may not be your set price unless you just want the basics. But if you want like a lot of different, things, like for instance, with the $25 one up, they have a pass up. So if you wanted pass ups, if you had a system that you wanted to do pass ups in, then that will cost you some more money. Like, it wouldn't be 600; it'd probably be like around $1,000 that you'll be spending, but it'll be all well worth it once you got the people coming in. And what you would do is just charge an admin fee, so that way you'll get paid, and then you could do it like that. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Like I said, check these websites out. Like, I'm not getting paid for none of this. Like, I'm not an affiliate of any of these. I just know that there's a lot of people out there who's been searching for years on how to do it, or they try to build it themselves and they didn't really know how to do it. But these sites are pretty much already built for you. You just plug and play. Okay, so if you need training, guys, I have training below this video on anything that you may need, whether it be Facebook, YouTube, or whatever, affiliate marketing. If you guys want me to make any videos specifically on a certain topic, let me know in below this video in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys on Sunday, or even before then, because I normally upload on Sundays and Wednesdays, but like today, I decided to do a random upload. So, guys, stay tuned, and I will see you later. Peace.